hearing a lot about virtual assistants, but you don't know where to get a company that's hiring for a virtual assistant, then today you're in luck because I found a company that's hiring right now. They're in Jamaica and they mostly deal with real estate investments. They're located in San Francisco and this job post was posted about 1 hour ago. So I want you to jump right on before it reaches 100 applicants, okay? Alright, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you very much. Go ahead to hit the subscribe button if you're looking for a permanent remote job. That's our dedication and we aim to get you a job that you can do from the comfort of your home. Now let's get into it. So if you're looking for a part-time remote company, they are looking for you right now. And if you love to assist customers and you love to socialize, of course you'll be dealing with the customers via phone, text, and email. And guess what? If you love social media, you'll be managing their social media accounts. And of course, you'll also be ordering parts and calling vendors. Other tasks related to real estate will be done. You'll be asked to do personal assistance for some tasks. Their hours are from 6 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And for the qualifications, I am relieved to see that you don't have to have any prior experience or degree for this role. It just asks that you are extremely organized, experienced at Google for business products, and of course if you are a person that has been doing administrative assistance for a good while in office, then this would be a walk in the park for you. All right, so you'll be experienced in preparing slide presentations, experience with a database such as CRM, excellent time management and multitasking skills, interest in learning about real estate investing, because remember, it's a real estate company, okay guys? So they want you to go ahead to apply. All right, so the salary is $151,000 per month for this full-time position. It was saying part-time at the first of the job description. However, if you do get an interview, guys, I want you to go ahead to ask if there is both part-time and full-time opportunities that are available. Happy job hunting!